Your career is at risk if you miss to check this career chart. Age 18 to 22 is foundation phase. You should ideally be at the level of intern, trainee, or graduate engineer. If you are below this stage, it usually signals weak fundamentals, leading to slow career growth later. Age 22 to 25 is entry professional phase. Typical roles include software engineer, QA engineer, or support engineer. The major risk at this stage is becoming a tool-only coder, someone who knows frameworks but lacks core problem solving and system understanding. Age 25 to 28 is growth phase. Expected roles are software engineer 2, backend front-end developer, or data analyst. If growth stalls here, it often results in junior-level stagnation, where responsibility and impact remain limited. Age 28 to 32 is ownership phase. You should be progressing into senior engineer, tech lead, or module lead roles. Without strong depth and leadership, professionals at this stage risk becoming easily replaceable by younger talent. Age 32 to 36 is leadership transition phase. Common paths include tech lead, architect, or engineering manager. This phase often brings burnout or role confusion, especially if the transition from individual contributor to leader is unclear. Age 36 to 42 is strategic contribution phase. Roles typically include architect, engineering manager, product manager, or senior consultant. Relying only on hands-on technical skills at this age increases layoff vulnerability during restructuring or downturns. Age 42 to 50 is direction setting phase. Expected positions are director, principal architect, or head of engineering. The biggest threat here is skill obsolescence. Age 50 plus is wisdom and influence phase. Ideal roles include CTO, advisor, consultant, coach, or board-level technology advisor. At this stage, value comes less from coding and more from experience, judgment, and long-term vision. Subscribe and follow us for more information.